This is no BS guide on 5 creative skills that will make you rich in 2026. 3D art industry is on the rise. Even with all this AI fuss going around, many studios are hiring people around the world for these specific skills. Number 5. Environment designer. Every game, movie and series you see, whether it is a sci-fi or medieval fantasy, it requires a virtual world. All of these beautiful environments are CGI. These are made in 3D softwares like Blender, 3ds Max or Unreal Engine, and with every new update, these tools are getting more and more powerful, making it easier than ever to get started. Many AAA game studios are hiring people specifically to create these concept environments, and the demand is rising. Number 4. Character animator. From 90s classics Toy Story to modern animated films like Soul, animation is getting visually more and more enjoyable and interesting every single year. There is always a constant need for a good character animators in 3D industry, whether it is a game character or a movie character. Studios like Netflix and Disney are always looking out for someone who understands the skills so they can make best possible movies. Number 3. Texture artist. Making 3D models is not enough. You need someone who understands art in depth, essentially a digital costume designer who can make a character or object look attractive. And this is where texture artist comes in. Creating basic textures or just slapping images onto a 3D model is not what this industry is looking for. Studios need professionals who can paint everything from scratch and build a procedural system that can be reused in their later projects. Number 2. CG simulation artist. One of the most challenging thing to do in CG is simulation, because the nature of simulation is very random. You often have to create water, fire or smoke simulations completely from scratch in order to get desired look. This is why companies want to hire people who can not only understand how to do simulation, but they can know about gravity, forces, physics. There are lots of things going on in the simulation, and that is why this is one of the most highest paid skill out there. Number 1. Rigging artist. Similar to simulation, this is also one of the complex thing to do in entire 3D industry. You might be wondering, doesn't the animators do the rigging? Well, the answer is no. For many weird and complex creatures, it is a very big challenge to actually generate that bone hierarchy and a rig structure. One of the most complex part of this entire process is known as weight painting, which throws off many 3D artists. This is why studios prefer to hire individual people who can create a better character rig with all this proper weight paint and all the good bone hierarchy.